it's not very open to give a vote of thanks to yourself. Do you not think that Jenny Ralston was the best? Actually, the first time they ever went out is the Broadley Scots. I think I'm right in saying it was in here at the Birniehill Rural, and that's when I joined them. That's a good few years ago, isn't it? And we've done a lot since then. Oh well, I'll not come back to that. The Scots have got some grand wee words that for us sing a song. There's pinky for your finger and winky for not long. There is yourself for you alone and your nodal for your brain. But for return, true Scots we'll ken, there's haste yet, back again. So ladies, will you join with me in giving my friends, the Broadley Scots, a very hearty vote of thanks? Yes. Am I on tape saying that?
No.
So, tell lies.